Welcome my friends to my channel. I'm Bob Schrupp, providing you with physical therapy treatments that you can do within the confines of your own home, which is pretty cool. Today we're going to talk about a simple trick you can do to help relieve some of the pain that you may have when you're sitting. I'm talking about back pain, to help you relieve some of the back pain. One of the problems, especially if you're tall like me, and I'm 6'6", a lot of the chairs are actually too low for you. What you'd like to see is that, especially when you're recovering from back pain, is that your hips are going to be a little bit higher than your knees when you're sitting. And again, that's almost impossible for a lot of people if you're tall like me. I actually, my desk chair, the chair that I use for doing my computer work, is actually more like one of those stools, a high stool. And that way my knees are lower than my hips and my back is in a better position, because it's all about you wanting to try to keep your back as straight as possible. You don't want to be in that slumped position when you're sitting. So a simple trick, especially at home, you could even do this at work if you have the courage to do so, is all you're going to do is fold the pillow lengthwise in half. And I actually just showed this trick actually for someone who's having tailbone pain, because you can do the same trick. But you just put it in your chair, more towards the front than the back, but you still need to have it in the back. You want to make sure that your sit bones are sinking into the pillow yet. And well, again, this raises me up now, and I don't know if you can see this or not, but my hips are slightly higher than my knees, and this puts my back in a lot better position. And it's very difficult to slump when you're on this thing. It's more difficult anyway. It kind of makes you want to sit up straight, and it just puts you in the right position. The other thing is, when you're having back pain, especially if it is worse with sitting, you do want to get up and walk around a lot. It's just very simple advice for that. So good luck with you, and we have a lot of other videos on back pain, or we're going to, so make sure you subscribe below. Thanks a lot.